Space perception and consequent regulation of interpersonal distances play a crucial role in human social interactions and are closely related to the perception of basic and more complex social information. We investigated how variation in physical distance influences trait impression judgments. We were presenting life-sized whole-person images of people, varying the distance of participants. Participants were standing at two distances in front of a projector screen, judging rear-projected stimuli on trustworthiness, competence, dominance, and attractiveness. We performed an items analysis and correlated the ratings at the near distance, which we took as a baseline, and the effect of distance, which was calculated as the difference between the ratings at near and far. The correlation is presented in the graphs. On the x-axis there is the average near stimuli rating, therefore lower ratings mean that stimuli identity was on average rated lower by the participants, and higher ratings mean that the stimulus identity was rated higher at near distances. On the y-axis there is the effect of distance, so the average near ratings minus the average far ratings. This means that the ratings above the x-axis are rated higher at close distance, and stimuli below the x-axis were rated higher at far distance. The results show that trustworthy-looking people look a little less trustworthy when far from the observer, and untrustworthy-looking people look a little more trustworthy. That is, the ratings move towards the average at far distance, so a regression to the mean effect. The same effect was found for the perceived competence and dominance. However, for perceived attractiveness, the ratings didn't change with distance. People on the images look as attractive near as they do far away. It seems that whatever cues are used to determine a consensus about trustworthiness, competence, and dominance at close distance are not used far away. We think the effects of distance in making more social trait judgments could be due to low-level visual cues, higher-level social processes, or a combination of both.